All right, Omar, can you believe it? Spirit Week at Maplewood Elementary. I mean, the energy in these halls is just electric. Everywhere you look, there's posters, students in crazy outfits, you know, the whole 9 yards.
Oh, I believe it, Luna. My socks alone are causing a minor distraction crisis in Mrs. Gable's class. They're rainbow-striped, polka-dotted, and they glow in the dark. It's a statement, you know. And tomorrow, it's the big pep rally. I've been practicing my synchronized clapping all week.
Your clapping is certainly unique, Omar. But listen, there's a huge problem, a really, really huge problem that's threatening to derail the entire pep rally.
Oh no, did someone eat all the cookies from the bake sale early? Because that would be catastrophic. A tragedy of epic proportions, honestly.
Worse than cookies, Omar. Much worse. The school mascot's costume head, it's missing, gone, vanished into thin air.
Gasp. You mean no giant dancing squirrel? That's half the show. The other half is me tripping over the microphone cord, which, by the way, I also practice. It's a signature move at this point.
Exactly. Without the mascot, the rally will be completely ruined. The whole spirit of Spirit Week, gone. It's unthinkable.
This is a job for, well, us, I guess. Detective Omar Trekker, at your service. Where's my shiny sticker badge? Wait, you still have it, don't you?
I do. I always keep my detective badge, Omar. It's very important. And I just adjusted it. This calls for our keenest observational skills and our sharpest wits. It's the case of the missing mascot head.
Ooh, I like the title. Very dramatic. Do we get theme music? I feel like we should have a dramatic theme music right about now.
Focus, Omar. Look, here's Mr. Crumbly. He looks absolutely distraught. His hands are wringing so much I think he's trying to squeeze water out of them.
Poor Mr. Crumbly. He loves that squirrel mascot. He even dresses up as a tiny acorn for Halloween every year. It's adorable, but also a little concerning.
Mr. Crumbly, what happened? We heard about the mascot head.
Yeah, sir. We're on the case. We're Luna Sparks and Omar Trekker, the best volunteer detective duo this side of the playground.
Mr. Crumbly. Don't worry, sir. Detective Sparks and Trekker are on the case. We'll find that mascot head. You can count on us.
Technically, we're volunteer detectives, Mr. Crumbly, but we do accept payment in cookies. Just putting that out there, for future reference, you know, for our emotional well-being after such a high-stakes case.
Omar, focus, partner. We've got a squirrel to find. Now, Mr. Crumbly, did you notice anything unusual? Any strange noises? Any doors left ajar? Anything at all?
Yeah, like, did you see any shadowy figures lurking? Any suspicious-looking squirrels with tiny masks and getaway bags? Maybe it wasn't stolen. Maybe it just levitated away. Or maybe it gained sentience and ran off to join the circus.
Let's stick to logical deductions for now, Omar. We'll start our investigation at the gym storage closet. Come on, Omar.
Right behind you, Detective Sparks. My senses are tingling. Or maybe that's just the glitter from my socks still rubbing off.
Okay, the closet looks fine. No forced entry, no signs of a struggle. Wait a minute. What's this?
Ooh, a clue. Is it a secret message written in invisible ink? Or maybe a tiny map to buried treasure?
No, it's a trail of glittery pom-poms. Look, they're leading right out of the gym and down the hallway.
Aha! Cheerleader clue. It has to be the cheerleaders. Maybe they wanted to borrow the mascot head for some secret cheer practice? They're always doing those elaborate routines.
Or someone just had an emergency glitter spill, Omar, and didn't clean it up properly. Let's not jump to conclusions. But it's definitely a lead. Let's follow it.
Right, to the glittery unknown. My detective instincts are telling me this case is going to be full of twists and turns, like a really tangled garden hose.
The trail leads past the cafeteria. Look, it continues right by the main entrance.
Hold on, Luna. We need to investigate this area thoroughly. For clue purposes, especially that cookie display. You never know, a rogue crumb could be a vital piece of evidence.
Omar, we are on a tight schedule. The pep rally is tomorrow, and a whole school is counting on us to deliver a dancing squirrel. The cookies will still be there after we solve the mystery.
But what if the culprit ate the cookies? It could be a diversion, a red herring, a delicious chocolate chip red herring. We must rule it out.
Fine, a quick sweep. But no sampling the evidence. Just observe. Look for anything out of place. Any squirrel-sized footprints in the spilled milk.
Footprints? No, but I do see a particularly suspicious-looking brownie. It's practically calling my name. Eat me, Omar. I hold the key to the mystery.
Omar, back on track. The pom-poms continue down this hall. It looks like they're heading towards the art room.
The art room, of course. The art room is where all the creative chaos happens. Maybe someone was using the mascot head as inspiration for a sculpture? A squirrel-themed masterpiece?
It's a possibility. Let's check it out. Ms. Puddleby is usually in there, lost in her artistic world.
She's always got paint on her hands, in her hair, sometimes even on her glasses. It's like she's a walking, talking, abstract painting.
Ms. Puddleby, excuse me, have you seen the mascot head, the big, fluffy squirrel head?
She's really focused on that banner. It's quite good, though. Very spirited.
The glitter trail stopped here, which means whatever was carrying the pom-poms must have encountered the mascot head around here. And then the head kept rolling. Come on.
To Mr. Henderson's class. Hopefully it hasn't started a squirrel-themed rebellion in there.
Okay, the hallway is empty here, but Ms. Puddleby said it veered towards Mr. Henderson's class. Let's check the closets along this stretch.
There's this one. It's slightly ajar. And, wait, is that a bit of fluffy, brown fur poking out? Could it be?
You're right, it is. It's the mascot head. It's sitting halfway inside the closet. Oh, thank goodness. The pep rally is saved.
Victory. We found it. I knew my detective skills, combined with your actual logical thinking, would prevail.
Okay, let me just reach in and grab it.
Wait, Luna. Be careful. What if it's a trap? What if the real culprit is still in there, waiting to ambush us?
Don't be silly, Omar. It's just a costume head. Omar, it moved.
Ah, it's alive. I told you. The squirrel apocalypse is upon us. Run, Luna, run for your lives.
No, wait, look.
The head turned, and out popped Toby the janitor's cat, wearing the squirrel head like a helmet? That's wild.
Oh my goodness, it's Toby's cat, Mittens. He must have snuck in here somehow. Look, he's just sitting there meowing proudly, like he just won a staring contest.
So, the ghost squirrel of Maplewood was just Toby's cat? And it probably rolled the head all the way from the gym. That's incredible, and slightly less spooky than a sentient squirrel costume.
I can't believe it. The mascot wasn't stolen, it was adopted, or temporarily borrowed for a very fashionable feline photo shoot. This is just too funny.
I mean, it does kind of suit him. He looks like a very important, furry general now. General Mittens of the Maplewood Squirrel Brigade.
Okay, let's gently get this off him. Good boy, Mittens. You're a very good detective assistant, I guess. Case closed. Though we might need to dry clean it again. Cats aren't exactly known for their meticulous hygiene, you know?
Yeah, and I bet it smells faintly of catnip now. But hey, it adds character, right? Maybe it'll make the squirrel even more enthusiastic at the pep rally.
Well, we got it back just in time. The pep rally is going to be a huge success. Thanks for being a great partner, Omar.
Anytime, Luna. You know I'm always ready for adventure, especially when there's a chance of cookies afterwards, or when a cat tries to become a mascot. That was definitely a new one.
So, by rally time, the mascot costume was back, fluffier than ever. The students cheered, the band played, and Omar still tripped over the microphone cord, as is tradition.
Hey, it's a crowd pleaser. People expect it now. It's part of the show. It adds a certain organic humor.
You certainly provide that, Omar. It was just another day of mystery, mayhem, and mild embarrassment here at Maplewood Elementary.
As long as there are cookies after, I'm good. And maybe a new sticker badge for Mittens. He earned it in his own furry, head-wearing way.
He really did. So that's it for this week's thrilling adventure. The case of the missing mascot head, solved by Luna Sparks and Omar Trekker.
Join us next time, listeners, for another funny, spooky, and totally unforgettable mystery in
Mysteries in the Dark, where every clue leads to laughter, and sometimes to a very confused cat. Until then, stay curious, stay observant, and always check the closets. You never know what you might find.
That's for sure, Luna. Make sure your mascot heads are safely stored away from any adventurous felines. And be sure to follow us and share our podcast with your family and friends. Bye for now.